In our previous videos, we used Klutch to provision PostgreSQL data service instances, and by creating a service binding, we have all the credentials needed to consume these data services locally in our application developer cluster. We'll put those pieces together by deploying a blog post application that leverages this database. Let's examine the Kubernetes deployment YAML for our blog post application. It's going to use the same secret that we created via the service binding. As you can see on my screen, there's a demo app, which is a front-end application, which is using the secret that we created last time. So it contains the key host, username, password, and name. Now let's deploy our blog post application. I'm going to do a kubectl create -f application -vm. Now let's see if the pods are up and running. So kubectl get pods. Now the pods are up and running. So now let's access our blog and create a sample post. Behind the scene, this data is safely persisted in our PostgreSQL database. So let's start by port forwarding. So I'm going to look up the command. So now the port forwarded has been successful. Now we can use localhost to access the blog post. So now we have the blog post on our screen. So let's create the first post. So I'm gonna write hello world. Hello. And let's create the post. And there you go. That's it. We have successfully deployed a blog application and seamlessly integrated with our PostgreSQL database. But what about protecting our valuable blog content? In the next video, we'll explore how Klutch facilitates backups and restores to ensure data protection.